मुझे लगता है इनको पात्रा आलू वड़ी बनाने का बहुत एक्सपीरियंस होगा।
I'm going to ignore that. The last time, like Prachi was saying, last time मैंने चीज़ व्हील पास्ता खाया था लंदन में कैम्डन मार्केट में, और ये उसके तरह बिल्कुल नहीं है।
Oh, it's very jamuni. The fruit jamun is one of my favorite seasonal fruits.
So are your lips.
Yeah. Apple is surprisingly good, huh?
Orange is also nice. I think इसके rind को थोड़ा सा caramelize किया हुआ है. Prachi is killing it. उसको जल्दी घर जाना है.
This is actually very tasty and I can savor it slowly.
It's yum.
Full potato corn dog जिसको देख के मुझे कहने का मन कर रहा है, कुत्ते मैं तेरा सॉस पी जाऊंगा. खा ले, खा ले, खा ले, खा ले, खा ले. Our Khao Gali adventures continue all across Mumbai to Pune to Surat और अब हम back to Mumbai in Kandivali.
और कांदिवली में हम ढूंढ रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल स्ट्रीट फूड, sushi, corn dog, Vietnamese roll, I don't know what not. Why can't we just stick to like Frankie and Sev Puri and all that?
I'll tell you why.
Yes.
Kandivali can.
तो आज सुशी प्लेटर और वियतनामी समर रोल हमारे सामने है. बट फर्स्ट आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू होल्ड अ चॉपस्टिक.
Sure, in Kandivali.
Wherever. Then roll this and then take these two fingers, the pointer finger and the middle finger. Middle finger बीच में, pointer finger यहाँ पे, and then you just like.
Hello. Hello. We are going for this?
Avocado maki. Does it have short grain rice like sushi does?
We will find out. I am actually saying I'm having fun.
It's nice. I like it. बहुत बढ़िया है. बहुत बढ़िया है. और अभी इसको थोड़ा वसाबी के साथ डिप करेंगे. वसाबी.
Yeah? Wow. Mohit's wasabi moment. So I'm going to put some wasabi. After
No.
watching Mohit's face,
It is pungent, huh? It is
I'm
pungent.
going to go a little easy on it.
Yeah? But this is done so soft है, राइस भी सॉफ्ट है, avocado का अच्छा टेक्सचर है, सीवीड शीट तो है ही.
बिल्कुल उन्होंने
And
माखी की
I
माखी
must-
नहीं की है.
माखी की माखी नहीं की है. Guy who's making it, he's got deft hands.
Absolutely. The way he rolled it, the way he cut it, the way he flattened and condensed everything, very good. मुझे लगता है इनको पात्रा आलू वड़ी बनाने का बहुत एक्सपीरियंस होगा.
I'm going to ignore that.
So this is some sushi. That's how it's spelled in the menu.
Which means, oh, you want some sushi?
Why not? Let's go for some. So it has a bunch of veggies and
Ah.
some tempura textures, flavors.
No, not bunch. It's got carrot and cucumber and tempura-ish texture.
आप इतना strong wasabi कैसे बनाते हो?
बनाया नहीं है, वो ट्यूब का वसाबी है. It's ready-made.
I've never eaten something this strong even in a
Japanese
proper sushi Japanese place. Okay guys, this is the
wasabi.
veggies are very crunchy.
They're fresh.
Yep. And there's a little hint of desiness with this mint mayo.
I don't care if it's pure Japanese, but I love it.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, what's the point of eating something so very traditional on the streets in Kandivali? It has to have a desi touch. And with all due respect to all the traditional cuisines, which I also love, I love desi touch to international food. I know Mohit doesn't. Not always.
तो वियतनामी समर रोल जिसमें कैप्सिकम है, कैरेट है, बेल पेपर्स है, रेड एंड येलो, ऊपर से सेसमी, टोस्टेड सेसमी सीड्स है
In the rice paper roll.
इन द राइस पेपर रोल ऑब्वियसली। और अभी हम इसको
Sweet chili
स्वीट चिली सॉस में डिप कर रहे हैं।
and there's a peanut sauce.
I'm not sure about the peanut sauce, but
Ooh, this sticky sweet chili is always my fave.
I love it how we've taken a Vietnamese dish और उसको हमने अपना बना दिया and we can now own it.
So delicious in it. I mean, I've never
Crunchy.
individually appreciated the beauty of a bell pepper, but in this summer roll, it is standing out.
But I'm not sure about the peanut sauce.
It is yum.
But with a lot of zeal, we should try it.
The peanut sauce is yum and it's giving it so much more character.
Love it. Love it.
We had honestly very low expectations, if that's the word to be used, to eat sushi on the street, which is the first time for us. We're eating sushi on a
Yeah, for
street in
sure.
Mumbai. I am loving it.
तो न्यूयॉर्क स्टाइल क्लासिक हॉट डॉग।
Complete with the Joker face
Yes.
and Korean style corn dog.
Pulled.
Full potato corn dog, जिसको देख के मुझे कहने का मन कर रहा है, कुत्ते मैं तेरा सॉस पी जाऊंगा। खा ले, खा ले, खा ले, खा ले, खा ले।
डीप फ्राइड क्रंची दाल एंड सोया सॉसेज, उसके ऊपर सॉसेज ऐसे स्मॉदर किया हुआ है, उसके ऊपर चीज़ है जिसको टॉर्च से थोड़ा सा
बम्बई किया है।
फ्लाम्बे किया है, बर्न किया है, बारबेक्यू सॉस है, चिली सॉस है, होममेड मेयो है।
Okay, this is supposed to be pulled potato, but for the pull to come, I have to get to the cheese, which is like the total inside layer. उसके ऊपर Korean batter है, उसके ऊपर potatoes
Potato.
है, उसके ऊपर panko है, उसको deep fry करके बहुत सारे sauces डाले हुए हैं. So I need to get to the bottom of it, in short.
Pulled.
It's nice.
Let's swap.
But they have an interesting garlic chili, which is nice.
Go for it.
So light. मतलब वजन में.
I don't even know how to hold this.
With the stick, जैसे भुट्टा पकड़ते हो. I really like this hot dog, and I'm actually surprised how nice the bun is. Very nice bun.
इसमें कुछ अच्छा लगने लायक,
You mean खराब लगने लगा?
कुछ खराब लगने लायक है नहीं। चीज़ है, मैदा का बैटर है, पोटैटो फ्राइज के चॉप पोटैटोज हैं,
Who doesn't like fried potato?
एग्जैक्टली, सॉसेज हैं।
But eat it with this garlic chili. That is giving it
don't-
a little bit extra zing, because by itself it's a little bland. It's just potato and cheese.
But I don't know how to hold it.
In this, I really like the crunch of the soya dal chop. It's unusually yummy.
Chop, sausage,
Sausage. I just couldn't associate soya and dal with sausage.
न्यूयॉर्क Korea.
In Kandivali. Because Kandivali. बोल. So we really waited to eat this and उसकी वजह से उसका पुल शायद shrink हो गया है. Oh no! पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. अब हम हैं पास्ता हब में जहाँ पे हर रंग का पास्ता मिलता है. There's a red pasta, pink pasta, green pasta, white pasta. लेकिन हम खा रहे हैं what could be our आखिरी पास्ता. I'm joking. हम खा रहे हैं पास्ता on what is a cheese wheel जो मोहित ने लंदन में खाया था. लेकिन जो व्हील है वो इटली से आया है और अब हम खाएंगे.
I just don't know what to say.
So eat, don't say. Let the eating do the talking.
Yes.
Very stringy, huh?
ये पास्ता नहीं पुलाव है.
So जैसे तवा पुलाव होता है वैसे चीज व्हील
Okay,
पास्ता होता है.
so jokes apart, the bechamel sauce तो नहीं बोल सकते. The white sauce is nice. अराबियाता sauce mix किया है तो वो pink हो गया, orange हो गया है. And then of course cheese and chili flakes and oregano and masala and everything. We've made
And
it
then there was
absolute-
cream and then there was more like a cheesy sauce and there was more cream.
and with all the masala and onion and paneer.
पनीर भी था. कहाँ है?
So we've made it absolutely Indian. The last time, like Prachi was saying, last time मैंने cheese wheel pasta खाया था लंदन में कैमडन मार्केट में और ये उसके तरह बिल्कुल नहीं है. बट जैसे हमने फर्स्ट टाइम घाटकोपर खाओ गली में शूट किया था WTC पास्ता, ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है, बिल्कुल वैसा है. मसालेदार, क्रीमी, वेजीज,
Yeah.
चटपटा चटपटा.
उसने एक्चुअली चाट मसाला भी डाला था. रिमेम्बर? इसने भी डाला है.
On a serious note, if we can go to Bangkok and have their street food, if we can go to Singapore and have their street food, if we can go to pretty much all over Southeast Asia to have the street food, if we can go to New York Times Square, have pop-ups, जो Indian pop-ups भी होते हैं, अगर वहाँ पे हम जा सकते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आ सकते?
डेफिनेटली आ सकते हैं. और सिर्फ पास्ता नहीं खा सकते, एक और चीज़ है यहाँ पर.
Garlic bread. यहाँ पे
Not just garlic bread.
By यहाँ पे I meant why can't we come to Bombay and have the street food? Because this is our street food.
Yeah, and this is our street food with a lot of global touch.
Influence.
Because not necessarily everyone is going to go to London and eat the cheese wheel pasta. But in their defense, they have actually got the cheese wheel from Italy and tried to recreate a flavor that is more palatable to Indian
To
taste.
Indian taste,
Yeah.
absolutely, which is fine.
So full marks on that.
What cheese is that? So they've got a Parmesan cheese wheel, which is not bad.
This is a garlic bread which has been fired and glazed on top.
With cheese.
With cheese, of course. It's a cheese garlic bread.
I like the garlic bread.
It's a good accompaniment with the pasta.
मुझे अच्छा लगा garlic bread.
And honestly, I would like to see a non-Indian roll out a thin pulka and make it and serve it. I mean, there is something, right?
चलो.
So ARKR has decided to go healthy. इसलिए हम स्ट्रीट पे आके फ्रूट के स्लाइसेस खा रहे हैं.
Now reveal.
नहीं, ये है फ्रूट, लेकिन एक्चुअली इट्स अ फ्रूट स्टफ्ड विद आइसक्रीम, मेड ऑफ कोर्स विद द फ्लेवर एंड पल्प ऑफ द फ्रूट.
तो ये ऑरेंज है और ये एप्पल
एप्पल
है
है जो एग्जैक्टली एप्पल के स्लाइस की
और ये पिघल रहा है तो मैं खाने वाला हूँ.
लेकिन ये ठंडा है. एप्पल इज सरप्राइजिंगली गुड.
एंड ऑरेंज इज ऑल्सो नाइस. आई थिंक इसके राइंड को थोड़ा सा कैरेमलाइज किया हुआ है.
सो यू कैन ईट द राइंड.
यू कैन ईट द राइंड बट थोड़ा सा कड़वा तो है.
बिटर चॉकलेट हो सकता है तो बिटर ऑरेंज क्यों नहीं.
है ना. Slightly,
You must eat it with the rind.
but you will now get the aftertaste of the
It is slightly bitter, but it's meant to be eaten.
apple. तो obviously इसका skin तो खा ही सकते हैं.
I love both. Apple is actually tasting like a frozen slice of
हाँ,
apple.
it is a frozen slice of apple, but ये लग रहा है कि आइसक्रीम है.
Reinventing
The way you eat ice cream
and fruit.
and food.
But I guess there are more
Of course, there's
ways
more.
to reinvent how to eat fruit.
चल shots मारते हैं.
And on this episode of पीने में क्या है, Mohit is going to do shots.
बोलो. So हम हैं 70 ml पे, and guess why this is called 70 ml? Because this is not 60, this is not 90, this is 70.
This is jamun.
Jamun
We're going to
and-
start with jamun.
जामुन शॉट. और देखो टेक्निक फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, जामुन has got a bit of salt rim to it. Cheers and tables. Wow.
This is probably the only kind of shot that I can
Chug.
chug and still see straight. Oh, it's very jamuni. The fruit jamun is one of my favorite seasonal fruits.
So are your lips.
Yeah. Yeah, if you didn't wear lipstick and you came here, you wouldn't need any. You also don't need any.
I haven't worn lipstick and I don't intend to.
The salt rim was making it fun,
Hmm.
but it's really a concentrate of the fruit. So I do like it.
And very tarty.
Exactly how a jamun tastes.
Tarty.
Tarty, whatever.
Now,
Chili guava.
chili guava. Again, chili guava का रिम पे चिली और सॉल्ट है. Cheers. प्राची is killing it. उसको जल्दी घर जाना है.
लेकिन मुझे ये फ्रूटी शॉट्स एक्चुअली बहुत पसंद है.
A little gin would help.
This probably I will not be able to chug because it has milk in it.
सीताफल.
Well done, Kushlani.
Redemption.
You're drunk on these shots. You're slurring now. This is actually very tasty and I can savor
Yeah.
it slowly.
It's yum.
Crunchy texture of the fruit pulp is also there.
हाँ,
It's
आया,
actually
मेरे को
nice.
भी
हाँ,
आया।
क्योंकि तूने गटक लिया इसके लिए इसको सेवर करना चाहिए.
No salt, no chili, just plain pure सीताफल.
What a fun way to have fruits.
And what a fun way to end the episode. चलो,
On that note.
rating करते हैं अभी.
Okay.
So, time for rating now.
कांदी वाली खाओ गली.
Yes, the avocado maki roll.
Yeah.
It was a good, decent sushi roll on the road.
And for the price, which you don't have to pay for fancy sushi or more traditional real sushi,
Yeah,
it was actually quite a good
I think
experience.
7.5.
8. Awesome,
Awesome sushi. Awesome sushi. 8.5 extra for the crunchy texture of it. So 8.
Yeah, for the tempura teaser
Yeah.
part of it, 8.5.
फिर हमने खाया वियतनामीज समर रोल. Crunchy.
Very crunchy, very fresh.
8.
Yeah, 8.
फिर हम
10K
गए
corn dogs.
corn dogs and hot dogs. So the classic hot dog was deceptively good. So 7 because I really miss the meat, but 7.
So I would give it actually 8.
Corn dog,
Not just the corn dog. The potato pull.
the potato pull corn dog, right?
Not a big fan of it. But yes, again, for a street side experience, I would give it a 7.
I would give it a 6.5. The cheese wheel pasta.
Now I remember.
Cheese, okay, you know what? Cheese wheel pasta में मेरे को एक चीज़ clarify करनी है, and especially for people like me who are a little about food. अगर आप street पे आके खाओगे तो आपको ऐसा ही पास्ता मिलेगा. If you want a traditional close to Italian pasta, you have to go to a restaurant and you have to spend some extra bucks. But जैसे प्राची बोलती है कि आप street पे आओगे तो आपको थोड़ा चटपटी चीज़ें मिलेगी, and that is why you come on the street. I'd still give it a 7.
निकलेगा नहीं Mohit से.
7.
Okay, I would give it an 8 for the effort. And that fire garlic breads.
The cheese garlic bread. Cheese garlic bread was good. 8.
Yeah, it was very generously topped
Cheese.
with cheese, so I would give it a 7.5.
The bottoms up ice cream, fruit ice cream.
Was a fun way to eat fruit and ice cream. Very sweet and appetizing looking. Actually, I love the concept. 9.
Apple को 6, orange को 7.5.
मेरा दोनों का average करके 9 ही है.
Okay. 70 ml shots, 10, 10, 10.
Yeah, 10 or more if I could. Super fun, super tasty, loaded with actual fruit.
Fruit.
So what's not to like?
And also technique forward, वो rim पे ऐसे
Yes.
salt and all that technique forward.
Actually, on this street in Kandivali, there is barely a cooking technique from the world that has not been tried or experimented. So whether that's flambeing, whether the cheese wheeling, whether the tipping of, I mean, you just name it and everything.
It's all there, yeah. Other
दो बार पूछेंगे.
बार पूछो, अभी तो जरूरत है.
अगली कौन सी खाओ गली में चलना है?
आप भी अगली जाना है हमको बैंकॉक के खाओ वाली में. लेके चलते क्या? You want some more?
नो, मेरी जामुनी लिपस्टिक खराब हो जाएगी. क्या
खराब
करना
हो
है?
गई. पी.
एक और.
अरे रघु तू पी. बस मेरे को यही बोलना था.